seen, at least from our teams on the ground here, Jill, in eastern Ukraine, is, we're seeing a military basically bleeding manpower as well as weaponry and failing to make any major gains when we're talking about the east of Ukraine here.
Correct. And then we also have what's expected to be this
The following is a crucial announcement from the Ministry of the Interior and the Varskian government. The capital, Carolina CZ, has fallen. This is the final radio broadcast from the government, now meeting in an undisclosed location. The red areas of the country are currently under occupation by Russian, Chinese, and Korean forces. We advise you to not cooperate with their demands to make the occupation as difficult and costly as possible. The government will soon flee to Mexico City, where a government in exile will remain until the liberation of our republic. We advise you to keep this defeat, as well as others in Europe and Asia, such as the fall of Prague or the Busan massacre, in your minds, as to strengthen your resolve against the occupiers. If you have children, consider their needs above your own. Do not fight if you have children, as they may be abducted by occupying forces and indoctrinated. Any future radio broadcasts that are made by the occupiers should not be believed. They will be propaganda and they will try to demoralize you. This concludes the final broadcast of the Varskian government. God bless Varsk and God bless you all. We will now end with the national anthem.